Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a way to make money online that's fast, easy, and potentially very profitable? Look no further than cryptocurrency. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money through crypto, even if you're a beginner. Cryptocurrency has been making headlines in recent years, with many investors making huge profits from buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. But you don't need to be a financial expert or have a lot of money to invest in crypto. With a little bit of knowledge and some smart investment strategies, anyone can make money through cryptocurrency. In this video, I'll be showing you the basics of crypto investing, including how to choose the right cryptocurrencies, how to buy and sell them on a cryptocurrency exchange platform, and how to manage your digital wallet. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete beginner, get ready to learn how to make money through crypto. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use encryption techniques to secure and verify transactions. They operate independently of central banks and can be used for online purchases, peer-to-peer transactions, and investment. Some popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be a potentially profitable way to make money online, but it's important to understand the risks involved. Cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, with their value fluctuating widely in short periods of time. This means that you could make a lot of money quickly, but you could also lose a lot of money just as quickly. To invest in cryptocurrencies, you'll need to create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange platform. This platform will allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and manage your digital wallet. It's important to research different cryptocurrencies and choose the ones that you believe have the potential for growth. Look at market trends, news, and other factors that may impact the value of the currency. Once you've bought your cryptocurrencies, it's important to have a long-term investment strategy. This means holding onto your cryptocurrencies for the long term and resisting the temptation to sell when their value dips. Keeping up to date on the latest news and trends in the cryptocurrency market can also help you make informed decisions about buying and selling cryptocurrencies. The amount of money you can make through cryptocurrency investing will depend on factors such as your investment strategy, the cryptocurrencies you choose, and the market conditions. Some people have made millions of dollars through cryptocurrency investing, while others have lost money. It's important to only invest what you can afford to lose and to do your own research before making any investment decisions. Here are some examples of the most popular cryptocurrencies to invest in. Number 1, Bitcoin, BTC. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has a large community of investors and a high market capitalization. Number 2, Ethereum, ETH. The second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Ethereum is known for its smart contract capabilities and is used by many decentralized applications. Number 3, Binance Coin, BNB. The native token of the Binance exchange platform, Binance Coin has seen significant growth due to the popularity of the exchange. Number 4, Cardano, ADA. A third-generation cryptocurrency based on scientific philosophy, Cardano is known for its focus on security, scalability, and sustainability. Number 5, Dogecoin, Doge. A meme-inspired cryptocurrency that started as a joke, Dogecoin has gained popularity due to the support of high-profile individuals and the community-driven nature of its development. It's important to note that this is not an exhaustive list and that the cryptocurrency market is constantly changing. It's important to conduct your own research and invest based on your own financial situation and risk tolerance. Overall, investing in cryptocurrencies can be a potentially profitable way to make money online, but it's important to understand the risks involved and to have a long-term investment strategy. And there you have it. Follow these easy steps and you'll be making money online through investing in cryptocurrencies in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online with cryptocurrencies. See you in the next one.